welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the next part of classical gas. Alright, so there's a bunch of horns that happen, and then it gets to a very low, serious horn section. We're going to do that part. And so it starts off with the main riff, and so that goes. And then you're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you're going to hit all 4 strings in a row, so it sounds like this. And then you're going to hit those same strings, except you're going to skip the G. You're going to take your pinky off, and it goes A, D, B. And then you're going to go A, D, B again, but you're going to take your pointing finger off. And then you're just going to hit A and then the D string. So that whole section sounds like this. The next section, you do the same intro thing. And then this time you're just going to do the same pattern you just did, where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you're going to take your pointer finger off, and it's just going to go. And then it's going to go 1, 2, 3. And then it's going to be these 3 strings. And then just the 2. I know it's a little confusing, but so that whole section sounds like this. The next one, you do the same intro, and this time it has the pointer finger off, it does the 4, and then you put the pointer finger on for the 3, and then the pinky on for the 3, where it was before on the 3rd fret of the B string. You put your pinky and ring finger on the 5th fret of the B and the G, and you're going to have the A string hit it at the same time, except you're going to go like this with these 2 strings. So it goes. And then you're going to scoot that chord down. You're going to have your ring finger and your middle finger. You're going to have your ring finger on the G string on the 4th fret, B string, 3rd fret. And it goes. Slide that down. Sorry about the dogs. And then you take it off and it's just open. So that whole section sounds like this. And then you're going to put your ring finger back on right here, and you're going to hit the A string with it at the same time, and you're going to hit the open B, pointer finger on the B on the 1st fret, and then back to the open. And that's what we've got for today.